normal architectural paint shop might only mix 10 or 20 pots of paint every day. These lower volumes don't leave a big budget for mixing machines. This is the TORO Neo from Collomix. It's the perfect entry-level to mid-range mixer for customers who need the reliability and the mixing performance of a Collomix machine. I'm here at the Collomix factory in Germany to show you some of the design and the engineering that's gone into this gyroscopic mixer. Now, the most important thing with a machine like this is that it's fast and easy to operate. Typically, we're dealing with weights of 20 kilograms, and that puts a lot of strain on the back. Collomix's unique push and slide concept makes it effortless to load this machine. You grab your mixing container, slide it straight into the machine, and start the mixing program. Inside, the handle is automatically secured by the built-in handle restraints. The machine spins the container on 2 axes, creating shear forces inside the liquid that produce a perfect mix every time. Let's compare this to a mixing machine with a sliding lower mixing table. Pushing and sliding the container into the machine takes literally seconds, and the machine automatically secures the handle. Manually securing the handle takes time and effort, and let's not forget that rubber band is often lost around the shop. The TORO Neo operator can already move on to other tasks, while the mixer on the right is still being prepared and the operator has to bend his back multiple times to get the thing working. It's the same principle for unloading. Push and slide is 60% faster and it massively cuts down on back stress. Now take a look inside at the automated handle restraint. This has been specifically engineered to be easily replaceable by anyone. And that means when this wears out, you just whack another one in there and it's back to business. The main reason for a mixer failing is paint contamination. And this metal plate back here is the splash guard. It provides vital protection for the drive and clamping mechanisms against paint splashes. The mechanical and electronic components in the back are completely protected. Again, it's all about keeping service costs and time down to a minimum. Internally, we have a powerful 1.1 kilowatt motor, a strong drive chain, and hardened steel bevel gears for reliability and endurance. There's only one circuit board on this whole machine, and it lives here on the front in the terminal along with the buttons and the screen. And that means all the electronics are in one place, and if it needs to be updated or serviced, it can be replaced quickly. One reason technicians love this machine is the door. It's a conventional swing door, but in minutes it can be changed from left-handed to right-handed opening to suit any point of sale layout. A couple more things. The TORO Neo can easily mix multiple cans at the same time, and it can be combined with a roller conveyor for easier handling. This is the TORO Neo, a machine engineered to the renowned Collomix standards with affordability in mind. Find out more at collomix.com.